beses na rin tayong umiihi. Di natin matampuhan.
Propose na.
Away ang hindi na namamalayan. Eto tayo, ingat sa uli. Babalik-balik sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa uli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo. Ito palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo.
Sa tanan, ups and downs na to sa kinabuhi, highs and lows, everything in between, love on stages, and just shown, is something that is truly worth celebrating. For all of us to. And of course, KZ, our hashtag couple days. Thank you very much. Richard Gomez and the beautiful mayor of Metro City, Mayor Lucy Gomez.
Yes! Yes!
Alam niyo, KZ, na sa beginning our life together, 5 years pala po kami. But we hope to have a love story as beautiful as yours.
Kapan juga si Ma'am Lucy nito?